Hey, if you wonder how you can take macro photos on the Realme 12 5G, let me show you how you can do this, and there's two methods. The first one, by the way, first of all, there's like no macro lens on the smartphone, there's also no macro mode. So to perform this macro photos, I will highly recommend you to first get good lighting condition, like in my case, and there's the first method. So we have to actually hold our phone steady and use zoom feature. So we have to try to zoom in, and at the same time we have to actually try to catch the focus. So we have to take a look right here manually. We can try to zoom in a little bit closer, just not to lose the focus. Okay, for example like this, and we can take the photo of this part. And now the second way is to use the 108 megapixel mode. It's called the high res. So click here and now just do the same. So keep your phone steady. Right here you cannot zoom, and try to catch the focus. Okay, so this is actually the best option to hold it. Now click on the shutter and let's take a look for the comparison. So this photo was taken with the zoom feature and it looks like this. And as you can see right here, you can find a lot of details. And now let's make comparison with this 108 megapixel mode. But as you can see right here, we cannot find that much details. So in my opinion, the best way to capture the macro photo is to simply get the good lighting condition and zoom in. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.